So welcome, Sophie. The stage is all yours. Big applause for Sophie. So today I brought you this beautiful little plant, which is not only my favorite plant, but today also my emotional support plant. And it's the lily of the valley, and you might have seen it in the recent days and weeks in the forest all around. It's blooming, it's flowering, it's smelling. And as any good scientist, I ask myself often weird questions. And the weird question I ask myself concerning this is, where did she actually take her water from? And I could answer that with several options. The first option would be very obvious. I could just rip her out and look at the roots. But actually, just because there are roots does not mean that she takes up water from there. So what else could we do? There is a very elegant method that uses water-stable isotopes. And to explain this, I will take a short detour, but I promise you I will get there. So, water consists of hydrogen and oxygen atoms, and they occur in different weights. And those are called isotopes. So there is heavy and light oxygen isotopes and heavy and light hydrogen isotopes. And both make up heavy and light water, which occurs together in nature. And the plant does not really care because the isotopes look exactly the same, they just weigh differently. But how does that help us now with our little pot? So since I'm a good plant mother, or I try to be, I water my plant very thoroughly with water, and then everywhere in this pot there is the same type of water with the same ratio between heavy and light water molecules. And now I put her out on the balcony because she likes sun, and the sun shines down on my plant. And this means the water evaporates. And because lighter water molecules are exactly that, they are lighter, they evaporate quicker. So a gradient established in my little pot. And this gradient is measurable. So in the upper layer, in the surface, there is a higher ratio of heavy to light water molecules than down at the bottom, where the ratio of heavy to light is a little lower. So now I can measure in the pot, for example, the ratio in the surface, the ratio in the middle, and the ratio at the bottom. And I can measure the water in my plant. And then it's very easy. I can compare plant water with the different types of soil water, and this is how I will find out where Lily of the Valley takes her water from. Thank you very much for your attention.